today I'm going to be talking about the Evaglide corded contract system. The Evaglide corded contract system is a 20mm by 20mm profile. It's a heavy duty corded system with a strong and robust powder coated finish. It's available in white, silver and black. Each colour will come with colour coordinating components including end caps, carriers and brackets. Has multiple bracket options available ranging from a 35mm wall bracket up to a 250mm triple wall bracket. It also has ceiling bracket options available. It can use standard carriers, or it's also compatible with our Easy Wave, Easy Flex and Easy Fold heading. You can also use a small wheeled glider just for helping with heavier curtains. It can be corded to one side, it can be corded on both sides, it can be set up for a single curtain or a pair. One thing to bear in mind with the cording is that it does need to be 150 centimetres from the ground and attached to the wall for the child legislation. So that's just something to bear in mind. It can be bent internally and externally to a 20 centimetre radius, but it can also be curved to a 50 centimetre radius. That's done by our in-house track team. The product can be taken on a made-to-measure service, but it can also be taken in component form. It will take up to 12 kilos per metre to a maximum system weight of 50 kilos. As with all of our tracks, this comes with a 10-year warranty, and this is suitable for domestic and contract situations. Thank you.